Newly appointed Al Ahly boss Jose Rivero is reportedly eyeing a familiar face to kick off his tenure in Egypt, with teenage Orlando Pirates defender Mbegezile Mbogazi emerging as a prime target. Rivero, who recently parted ways with the Buccaneers, is set to take over the reins at the Red Devils once the current Egyptian Premier League season concludes. For now, interim coach Ahmad El Nahas will continue to steer the ship until Rivero's official arrival. According to Al Ahly News, the Spanish tactician has identified a 19-year-old Mbogazi as a key reinforcement for Al Ahly's backline ahead of the upcoming campaign. A source within the club reportedly revealed that Rivero and his technical team have been impressed by the South African under-20 international's defensive prowess and believe he could make an immediate impact in Cairo. Mbogazi, who broke into the Pirates' first team this season, made 16 appearances and scored once, a performance that has evidently not gone unnoticed. His age is also seen as a strategic advantage. At just 19, Mbogazi qualifies to be registered as an underage player, allowing Al Ahly to strengthen their squad without affecting their foreign player quota. Rivero, known for his tactical discipline and eye for young talent, appears keen, bringing continuity and familiarity to his new role by reuniting with a player he helped develop in South Africa. As Al Ahly prepares for the FIFA Club World Cup and a new domestic season, all eyes will be on whether this promising transfer materializes, potentially marking the beginning of a new era under Rivero's leadership. Meanwhile, Orlando Pirates interim coach Mandla Ngcikazi has accused TS Galaxy of targeting rising star Relebohile Mofokeng with overly physical tactics during Saturday's 1-1 Premier Soccer League draw, as the Buccaneers stumbled in their first match since the departure of head coach Jose Rivero. A spirited second-half response from TS Galaxy denied Pirates maximum points after the host had taken the lead, but it was the treatment of a 20-year-old Mofokeng that left Ngcikazi fuming after the match. Speaking to the SuperSport TV, Ngcikazi didn't mince his words, suggesting TS Galaxy employed aggressive tactics designed to unsettle the young playmaker rather than focusing on the game itself. And said, I thought it was a plan by the opponents. When you have the ball, players like we do, it's clear Mofokeng was the target. They were not playing the game, but rather using robust tactics to deal with such a good player. Mofokeng, visibly frustrated by the persistent fouling and lack of protection, was shown a yellow card in the 90th minute, capping off a difficult outing in front of the home crowd. Still, Ngcikazi chose to take the positives from the bruising encounter, praising the learning curve for his young squad, and said he's such a good player, but it's okay, we've learned. The young players have learned. We are probably the youngest team in the PSL. This is part of the growth process. The future is bright for this club. Saturday's draw, however, cast a shadow over Ngcikazi's hopes of ending the role permanently following Rivero's departure. Having worked closely with the Spaniard, Ngcikazi now has 3 remaining league fixtures to stake his claim. Pirates will travel to face SuperSport United and Amazulu before closing the season at home against Magesi FC, a final stretch that could define both their league campaign and Ngcikazi's future at the club. With the Buccaneers aiming to secure a strong finish, all eyes will be on how the youthful squad responds and whether Ngcikazi can transform promise into results. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.